Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to My Technological World, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be receiving the next upcoming videos notification. Today we are going to talk about Xiaomi, which is bringing its bezel busting flagship Mi8 Pro to the UK market. Let's have a look. Xiaomi reckons its latest flagship smartphone will help you, which says see beyond the future. But is the Mi8 Pro really worthy of all that marketing pomp? Well, Xiaomi launched the Mi8 Pro in China earlier this year, and now the company's flagship handset is finally heading to the UK market. But is that something you should be getting excited about? Let's have a quick look at some tech specs suggest that answer might well be resounding yep. The Mi8 Pro packs a fairly hefty punch, with a super crisp 6.21 AMOLED full screen display, 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel AI dual camera setup, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 flagship processor, and the new Qualcomm Adreno 630 GPU, all combining to create a handset that on paper at last appears to be a rather distinguished all-rounder. Meanwhile, additional features like a pressure sensitive in-display fingerprint sensor and infrared face unlock brings some extra gloss. At 499 pounds, looks like we have another must-have mid-range on our hands. Well, in our opinion, Xiaomi Mi8 Pro might be a bit of a tongue twister, but its last launch in the UK represents a historical moment, the biggest event the domestic smartphone scene has witnessed. In fact, since OnePlus went in white free back in 2016. That's because as the fourth biggest smartphone maker in the world, Xiaomi has what it takes to violently shake up the smartphone status quo. This is the company with the muscles to produce high-spec phones at previously unheard of prices, exactly the sort of approach that has made OnePlus so successful in recent years. Now, the question is what else you need to know about Xiaomi Mi8 Pro precisely? Can the Mi8 Pro match our current favorite, the OnePlus 6T, for overall performance and value? Regarding the pricing and competition of Xiaomi Mi8 Pro, the Xiaomi Mi8 Pro is precisely on par with the OnePlus 6T when it comes to price. For 499 pounds, you get a genuinely top-class handset, something that few manufacturers can rival for sheer value for money. One obvious rival came into our mind is 330 pounds Pocophone F1, but that also just so happened to be made by Xiaomi. Amongst other smartphone builders, the closest you'll get to this type of the performance for the money is the Honor's range of Kirin powered phone. The Honor Play, for instance, which has the firm's former flagship processor inside, the Kirin 970 cost a mere 280 pounds. In this case, the question is why not just choose the Pocophone F1 then? Well, the Xiaomi Mi8 Pro is more attractive device. In fact, the Mi8 Pro has to be one of the most unusual handset design we have seen in 2018. This is what we know till now regarding Xiaomi Mi8 Pro. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well, and share this video with your friends and family. Till the next video, peace out. Take care. Bye-bye.